Quick look here. Let's go through a trade here. So this one is Ocean. We're going to take a look at Ocean. First thing we do, we look at the daily, right? Take a look at the daily. We have a red trend there, meaning that we're in a downward turn and the volume is almost negative, but the RSI is coming to the bottom. Slide over to the 4 hour. Take a look at the 4 hour. We do have the 4 hour breaking the 200 moving average right here, meaning that we are now weak and we could bounce to the 200, get rejected and come back down. The RSI is also at its bottom, still showing weakness. Let's go to the 2 hour. 2 hours flat on its belly. It has a short in there. Now this short has been running for a very long time, so the odds of it to continue running, it kind of slows up. Now right here on the 1 hour, we do the RSI try to bounce, but it is then rejecting and coming back down. And it does look like we are getting to the point at the end of this particular short because the sellers aren't peaking and the buyers aren't interested, right? So it's completely oversold. So let's go to the 15 minute to see what type of trade we have. So currently right now, it does look like the 15 minute is starting to bounce up. So you're going to have another push on Ocean, which will open up a good opportunity to then continue the short down off of this little bitty push here. So because of that, we're then going to go to the 5 minute. We're going to look for the entry on the push, right? So we're looking for this to actually push up and somewhere around the 200 moving average, or at least touch this area here. When this 5 minute RSI gives up and starts to go the other way like it is now, that is going to give us the opportunity to start looking for shorts on that 15 minute option. Let's take a look at the 3 minute. It's already bending down, the buy signal, this and that. It's already becoming a short on the 3. So right now I would look at Ocean and I would say that Ocean is probably going to be a short here in a second. This push is the push that is bringing it up to where it needs to be. We're going to do a 50% here. And we're going to say that Ocean right here is probably going to become a short. And we're going to tag it right here on a short position pretty soon. As soon as this RSI on the 5 minute bends down, right? So that's what we need. We need the RSI on the 5 minute to give up. Why do we need that? That's because we need it because the 15 minute is actually starting to push up. But you can see the 15 minutes getting rejected. So it's slowing down here, guys. So right now, we are waiting to see what the 15 minute RSI is going to do. Remember, we do not trade on a coin. We can't enter a short if the RSI is headed up, and we can't enter a long if the 15 minute RSI is heading down. So currently right now, the short is the better play, but theoretically, because the entire trend is going down, it means that the longs are probably going to be smaller gains, so not worth it in the long run. But the move right now is that it does want to pump. So it could, because it's been such a terrible move up, I mean, it could see a nice little push at where it's at just because it's literally been going down for a little bit of time here. It's been going down for a little bit of time here. So you could see what's called a relief pump, right? You could see a relief rally here, which is possible, right? But as we're watching right here, we're starting to see that the 3 minute RSI is already at the top. The 5 minute RSI is starting to bend, which should let us know that we're already getting a weak signal in the market that Ocean is getting weak right now. So this is where you'd be looking to get into a short as soon as that RSI continues to bend like it is right now. This to me would say, okay, this is probably the short entry area right here, 38.6. And this is where we'd be looking. Now to confirm how much of this short is going down, I go to the 3 minute. The 3 minute is still coming down. It does have a red candle, but we also want to make sure that we're getting red moons on the earlier time frames. So here's our red moon, so which means the 3 minutes should be going red. And there's our sell button. So right here, we're going to enter a short. Click, click. We are now shorting Ocean. Played out just like it's supposed to. Right? As you can see, I mean, just working our way back, right? 15 minutes, slowing down, not breaking through. Red moon, short. We go to the 5 minute. The trend is short. We see the 5 minute going up, but it's starting to break down. There are no more buyers, and the candle failed right here to break above this next candle or even do half of it. So that's where we enter a short right there by going to the 3 minute to confirm that the candle are getting weak. We have a red candle. The 3 minute buyers are already gone. The RSI is already bending. That's an entry to a short with high leverage. Bada boom, bada bing, you enter. You go to the 1 minute and double check to see where you're at. Red moon, enter the short. We entered right here and we got our sell button. So now we have our sell button. We have that. And let me show you where we're at right here, guys. Just on that short alone, we are already cracking 42%, guys. 42% right here. Here's our short right there. 42% right now. 40%, right? So now that we got that short pumped up in there, we're going to be looking at the indicators here as far as like, let me fix you guys real quick here. Bada boom, bada bing. All right. And let's move you guys over. So we have a sell signal going on. Everything's kind of flowing here. We're going to hold this until this green line here. What's up, man? What's up, VC? What's up, Scalabalos? Just making money, bro. We're flipping money, man. You know how we do, dog. Flip that money, yeah, yeah. Flip that money, yeah, yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, man. Yeah, baby. The indicator down below is the RSI. This is our MACD. These are the indicators, guys. Guys, listen. If you don't have $300 to make yourself $100,000 this year, you shouldn't be in crypto, anyways. Right? Get in the academy. Get yourself set up, man. This is easy stuff. What up, man? What's up, VC? Printing money. We're printing money, big dog. Printing money, man. You know how we do, bro. You know what we do, bro. Yeah, we got that money. We're coming right now for it. I mean, we're at 40% right now. I should just take the 40%. I'm going to move my stop loss here. 38.29. Let me edit that. Stop loss 38.29. I'm going to edit this to 38.31. Okay, we'll try it. See what we do. I definitely want the script. I definitely want the script. Guys, the indicators that we use, guys, are in the link in the bio, man. Look, go to my face on my TikTok, right? Go to my face. Right here underneath my face is a link. Click on the link, right? Join the academy. The academy, you get access to all the indicators I use. You get videos on the indicators I use. You also get information on what I'm doing, how I set them up, the settings adjustments that we make, everything you need, right? This isn't just about indicators on TradingView. These are about indicators that have adjustments, settings, and have been tested in every way to make money. So we do all the settings. We change all the settings. Thanks for the love, man. Thanks for the love, man. I'll join. Have been playing with so many indicators, and this one is awesome. Guys, so the thing that we do is we also set it up, and we get the settings for you. We put it all together for you, and then we do a system for you. How to track them. I do live trades to go over them, and we just basically test the theories out live on TikTok, so that people who are in the academy can come back to TikTok, trade live with me. So this way you make sure you're making money with your indicators to get your money back for the system in the academy that basically teaches you how to use them, right? So it's not about, there's a shitload of free indicators on TradingView, but if you don't know how to use them, then you're not going to make money, right? Boom. We're out of that trade. Nice, guys. We're cranking right now, guys. So our stop loss hit at 38.42. Let's go back in here and see where we're at. Let me see the ocean side. Ocean side. Ocean side. So as soon as we hit our 40% bangers, we get out, man. It's all about profits. And once again, guys, you see the RSI here bottom out. As soon as that RSI bottoms out right there, we should just sell the trade. Like, we should just sell the trade, right? So for the guys in the academy, the 1 to 3 minute, you see there the RSI hit the bottom. That's where you want to sell the trade. I'm actually on the wrong time frame. I should have been on the 1 minute. And 1 minute raw. There we go. There we go. 1 minute. Perfect. So as soon as this RSI bottoms out on the 1 minute, that's where we sell the trade and get out of there. Because we also see this little bounce in the buyers go up. But we made 40% on that trade, guys. By getting in the trade properly, we made more money. And now we have a situation where we had this bounce that came out of nowhere, which I think is just people, their limit buys started to trigger, and now they're kind of stuck on that level. So these are limit buys that are getting crushed right there. So here's the RSI bouncing here. So if we can get a green moon here, we can get a push back up here. So it looks like they're heading to touch here. All right, so guys, remember to get out of that trade. Remember to get out of the trade, the first trade we got into, as soon as the RSI touches the bottom on the 1 minute, you get out of your trade. As soon as it goes flat like it did, and you see these green lines start to move up or look upward in any way, that is when you sell your trade, exactly at that moment right there. That's when you sell. And we're going to try something crazy here, guys. We're going to try to see what we got here. Hopefully this goes green here in a second. I would love to see a green moon here. I'm going to try a $5 trade with 150x leverage. I mean, because you don't need that much to make money. If this spikes at all, like if I can get this green moon right here, right? Let me take a look at the 3 minute. Is the 3 minute at the bottom? 3 minute RSI. The 3 minute RSI is still coming down. I'm in a bad position. 5 minutes coming down. I'm in the wrong position. I should be spiking down. Oh, I should be shorting this. Yeah, I should be shorting this. All right, so I'm gonna instant close this, right? Okay, so let's see, 34.42, okay. I'm gonna do $5. I'm gonna do a short for 50%, and I'm gonna open a short right here. So I'm doing 150x on $4 on this short right here on this reversal. Let's see what we can do here. Just to do a test, baby. Come on, man. One time, spike down, baby. Turn 5 into 20. Every once in a while, we like to gamble. I mean, Ocean has 150 on it, man. 150x. 150x, guys. 150x. Come on now. I mean, we're showing a short right here. We're showing a short right here. Come on now. Come on, man. Break down. Come on. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Here we got. We got $5. Look at that. Okay, we have 5. We're just doing we're doing 150x. Look at that. 150 short. We're going to do 150 short. Let's see how with just $5. We're only doing $5, $4. We're getting a green moon here. Why are we getting a green moon? Come on now. We're getting a green moon right here for some reason. So it's fighting right now, but I think it's going to give up. So we're gonna give it a minute here. These are limit buys that are happening. Oh. But I'm having fun before I get off. I just want just want to have fun real quick, man. Let me take a look at my 30-minute RSI. Oh, the RSI in the 30 minutes starting to bend sideways. Why? Why, bro? Oh, the 1 hour starting to go up. Oh, this sucks. Oh, no, it's going down. Perfect. All right, 1 hour. Okay. All right. Okay, man. 15 minutes still going down. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. 5 minute RSI is coming down. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, man. There we go. We're up 30%. Nice. Nice. I mean, it's 26%, man. We're up 26% on that. If we could just get this one move down. Come on now. What's up, Smoke? Thanks, baby. Thanks, Smoke. Yo, shout out. Hit the likes on there, guys. Hit the likes on there, guys. I appreciate it, man. I come on here to help you guys out. Appreciate you making money, Smoke. Guys, the indicators make all the money, guys. It's not me. It's the indicators. If you want the indicators, sign up. The link is in my bio. It's right underneath my face, guys. Join the academy. It's the best money you ever spent. You will make it back in a week. And you will make so much more, guys. So much more. If you guys want to make $40,000 in crypto in the next year, sign up to the academy, dude. For 300 bucks, you will make 30 grand minimum. Believe me. Guys, 50% on here. Guys, look at this. Woo! 44%, guys. 44%. We're going to turn $5 into 7. $5 into 7. I like doing that. I like having fun on that, man. I'm going to try to double my $5 real quick. Let's go. Double up. Double up. Here it is right here. There it is, guys. There's my double up. I told you 5 into 10 right there. Look at that. Profit, $10 right there. Take that profit, guys. I'm taking it. Bada boom, bada bing. There you go, guys. 84%, 150x. That's how it's done. Using the indicators, guys. Shit's too easy. I appreciate you guys. Do not use 150x, okay? Don't get crazy. Don't be wild, man. Don't be wild. But I appreciate you. I will be on later, guys. If you want the indicators, if you want to make money in crypto, make sure you're hitting that. Where's my box at? All right, where we at, boys? We here? All right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Way to be. All right, man. What do we got? Look at Marotech. Don't listen to people who sell dreams, bro. We're not selling dreams. We're selling reality. I didn't lose. What trade did I lose, man? What trade did I lose? I don't think I lost a trade today. I did not lose a trade today, boys. I did not lose a trade today. Thank you very much. All right, let's take a look at this. I'm still on the, yeah, man, dude. What's your, Gebetto, what is your short, bro? What's your shorting, bro? What's your percentage? I mean, you're still looking good. The RSI in the 5 minutes still dropping. What's your leverage? I'll be back, bread boy. I'll be back in a couple hours, man. I'm just going to take a break, give my eyes a break. You know what I mean? My eyes hurt. So overall, he said, he's crazy, man. He said, I watched you for 20 minutes and made $210. Yeah, take profits. It's kind of like leveling out right now, dude. It's leveling out. It's going to bounce a little bit right here. You see how it's going level right here? See how it's going level? You take your profits. It's better to always just take profits, guys. Always take profits, man. He said one more, I can join the academy. These guys are funny. I mean, we gotta look at trades, man. 20%, perfect, perfect. Take it easy. Don't do more than 20, 30% leverage. More than likely, it's going to continue to go down because Ocean is on a downslide. You know, right now, if you look at the 1 minute, you could, if you're on a 20x Gebetto, you can stay in the 20x leverage until the RSI breaks up, right? Which we don't have yet. It's still trying to get to the bottom, but it's starting to even out. But it looks like it still has a little more drop in it until that RSI comes down on the 1 minute, right? So you still got a little ways to go, but profit is profit, man. 40%, that's what I'm talking about, guys. 40% leverage on Ocean, big dog. Let's go. 80% leverage. Floki, let's go look at dude, Floki's too dangerous, bro. Floki's that micro, man. You don't want to fuck around with Floki, dude. Floki is what is it? Folki. Floki, here it is. Floki, my nemesis. All right, here, let's take a look here, man. All right, now Floki does have room to go. Here's the 1 minute. We have a red moon. The short came in right here at 000456. So Floki's in a short position here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Bada boom, bada bing. The 1 hour is showing that it's going positive, which means the trend is up, right? This is what makes Floki so dangerous to deal with, right? So the trend is up. Let's take a look at the daily. Ugh. Floki, daily's up, right? And the RSI is moving downwards here. So you got a little downward moving on the daily. So it's kind of like a split decision, 50-50. All right, so let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour RSI starting to bend down, but the 4 hour just showed that it's Floki's in a short. So look at that. Floki's starting to show weakness right here. So the 4 hour is bending. So the Floki short should have been 00472. 472 is the Floki short. So let's go in here and take a look at the 2 hour. The 2 hours starting to push up, but it's in a red zone here, so it's looking weak. So it looks like Floki's going to have a little bit of a bounce right here and then go into a continued short, man. But Floki should short all the way down to its moving average of 4098. All right, let's take a look at the 1 hour. I don't like Floki, man. Floki's too dangerous to mess with. All right, here. So Floki's bouncing off the 200, hit its support, came back up. I don't think it's going to hold the support here, man. You see right here? You have a sell, you have a moon, you have a sell, and you have a push, a retrace, and then it got weak right here. So this is why anytime you're working on micros, anytime you have your indicators, they tell you what's going on. Always wait for the retrace and then the enter. So your indicators, red moon, red trend, sell, you wait for the retrace of the RSI. You see the RSI right here? The RSI has to come up. You see it's coming down. You let it retrace or bounce or whatever, and then you enter on the bounce or the second move, right? So remember that, guys. So right here, we would be entering on the second move, and you'd be in a good spot. You came down. That wasn't too bad. A good short. This RSI pumped a lot, but there was no volume. So Floki is weak right now. Floki is weak right now for sure, right? Yeah, Floki has room to go down here, man. Floki does have room. I agree. Whenever this 1 hour RSI bends down, that's the short. So wait for the 1 hour RSI. I don't know if I want to sit here and wait for the RSI to fucking bend, but let's see what's going on. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes already bending, but it's a green moon, right? We need a red moon. So here, red moon, red moon. All right, so right now we got a 30-minute Floki. Oh, we might have a short right here, guys. Hold on. Hold on, boys. We got a short on Floki coming up. Floki. All right, if you're not an expert on this, do not get into this Floki game. So what we're waiting on here, we're preparing. We're looking for a red moon right here. Red moon on the 30. Let's go to the 15 minute. Whew. All right, we got a 15-minute red moon, and let's take a look at the regular chart. We are going down, so this is a short. We do have room to go down on Floki. Let's get this shit ready. Floki's ready to go down, guys. This is the action. You can short Floki in a second here as soon as you get a red movement here. Red moon, red trend. You need a 15-minute red trend. So let's move to the 5 minutes so we can find an entry point here. 5-minute red moon. Here's your entry on Floki, which basically was 0046. So we're a little bit behind on this. The 5-minute RSI is at the bottom, which I don't like because there means it has to push up, right? So right here, same red moon, guys. Red moon basically is these are our indicators in the academy. If you're in our trading academy, we show you how to use these indicators. The indicators, the red moon just means that you should be selling. Green moon means you should be buying, right? They're price action based on price action. Price action green means there's buyers bringing in volume. Red means there's sellers. So right now we're waiting for the 15-minute red. It is heading down. But what I don't like about this short right now is the 5-minute is working up, but it is bending down. So look at Floki. Floki looks like we could get a short in right now. So this looks like we could get a short on Floki right here. Whew. So this is what we're waiting for, man. So we got a little bit here. So now that we take a look at the 5-minute, this short has already came in. It's already happened. I don't like getting into shorts that already happened, right? So we got to wait for this short to do something. It has to go up, create a little more room, and then come down, right? It's not ready yet, guys. It's not ready yet. Okay, so now that we know the 5-minute is looking like a short, we have a short coming into Floki. Let's go ahead and go down to our 1 minute. So now we have to look for the 1 minute entry, right? Here's the 1 minute entry. So right now we have a green moon. We have a RSI pushing to the top. We're not ready to short yet, but we have a short incoming. Here's a red moon, red trend, green moon. So basically right now, as long as this red trend stays the same, when we get a red moon right here, we'll be getting a short, guys. We'll be getting a short right here on Floki when we get this red moon. I kind of like this push-up position here for an entry for a short because it is giving, you know, it is pushing up and giving us a little bit of space here, a little extra money. But it has to finish what it's doing right now before we can look at anything else. So it has to make its move. So it's making its move right now. It's creating more of a position of a short for us. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes when you guys find a trade, if the trade already happened, it's better just to move on because the trade, it has to go through a cycle, right? It's like, you know, once it's the fourth quarter, it's the fourth quarter, right? You don't want to get into a trade after halftime. You want to get into a trade on the starting, you know, the starting point, right? This trade is in the third quarter right now. What platform are you buying these on? Guys, we are buying all these on MEXC, MEXC, guys. Now, if we get a red candle here, I'm going to jump into a short on this red candle here. If we get a red candle here. Phantom, please. We'll do Phantom in 1 second, guys. We're tracking a trade right here. Might be a terrible trade, but we're tracking it. Yeah, right here. So we're starting to see the top here. If this fails here, it's starting to get rejected. This could be the entry for the short right here. 4, 5, 6, 7. This might be the entry right here, guys. I like this entry right here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Bada boom, bada bing right there. 4, 5, 6, 5. That's the entry for the short position so far. Looking good right now. Looking good. I like it. I like it. We just need that moon, man. We need to start seeing that come. There we go. There we go. There's an entry. There's an entry right there. 4, 5, 6, 5. 4, 5, 6, 5 entry. Here we go, boys. Here we go. We're getting closer, man. We need that red moon. Come on, red moon. Like I said, man, I just don't like this trade because we were already after halftime, right? This is a tough trade. You know, it's hard to be disciplined, right? We got to be disciplined every single time. But that 1 minute RSI is starting to bend. We're looking good. We're looking good on the RSI right here. Do. All right, we're gonna put Floki there. See that? See right there? It doesn't want to break right there. All right, hold on. Let's go check this out. Floki, we're gonna keep right there. Phantom USA, right? Phantom FTM USDT. Phantom, real quick. Let's take a look at Phantom. Maybe it has a better option for us, right? All right, let's take a look here. Phantom. All right, so Phantom, quickly take a look. Ooh, Phantom. I called Phantom for a short way back at 125.60. There's the short position, and it's still shorting. Okay, Phantom has an hour of the downslide, so Phantom's in a short position. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily says sell, so Phantom is a sell position. It has a little bit of bend here. Phantom should have sold at $1.35 on the daily. Am I looking at Matic? Is this Polygon? Oh, shit, that's Polygon. My bad. Phantom USDT. I don't even know how I got there. My bad. Phantom. There we go, Phantom. All right, Phantom on the daily. Should have sold at 52 cents. Okay, see the red moon right there? Red moon. They said this is Matic. I do have a referral code. I just don't. What is the referral code? MEXC. Let me see MEXC. What is the referral code for MEXC? Referral. The referral code is 1. Z as in zebra. 3. Little U, big U. So my referral code is the number 1. Here, I'll type it right here, man. Here, referral code. All right, right there. VC Crypto Nation referral code. You guys see it? Did they not put it in there? They did not put it in there? What? So one, all right, hold on. So let's take a look at this right here. So Phantom on its way down. There's the daily easy trade. Man, we just have to wait for these easy trades. I don't know why we do any other trade. Okay, here. Phantom right here, 4 hour sell signal. Look at it, falls down. It's starting to bend here, meaning it's weak. So Phantom is weak right now, guys. 2 hours starting to bend. Phantom's in a short zone. So notice how Phantom is right here. This is a short zone. Phantom is dumping right there on the RSI. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Here's a red moon on the 1 hour. You should have sold Phantom right here at 45.7 and 1 hour and dumping. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. 15-minute RSI is at the bottom of the floor, so that is a short position. It could bounce a little bit off of that. Let's check the 5-minute. If the 5-minute RSI is on its way up, it is. So right here, what I would do on Phantom is I'd let the 5-minute RSI come up, and as soon as it's done, I would re-enter the short and continue my short on the way down there. But keep in mind, the 15-minute RSI is already at the bottom, so the short isn't going to be that long. It has to have some type of relief rally, and then it will go back into what it is. So you could probably short when this 3-minute moon goes from red to green, right? This is a 3-minute red set. So Phantom is a short incoming. Right now it's going sideways, but Phantom is a short. Back to Floki. All right. Floki, get out of the way. All right, there we go. So Floki's going sideways for us right now, but we're looking for that short sign. 45.65 is the entry for the short position. There's your green trend line right there, man. Floki wants to pump now, guys. Floki wants to pump. It's a dirty little bastard. So I don't like Floki. All right, let's take a look here. Take a look at the 3-minute. RSI is bending sideways. So we don't have a red moon on Floki, so we're not able to actually like get the position that we want on Floki, guys. So you gotta let this RSI replay. Floki's not in a position to get a good short, or you know, it could be a possible 5-minute long here. See the bottom of the RSI? So Floki could be going into a long position here because of the RSI. And it is a micro cap, so it does pump a lot. So let's see if we can get a green moon here. Yeah, Floki's going to have a green moon. So right now, guys, I wouldn't mess with Floki too much until it has a recycle here. It needs to reset. But Phantom is already reset, and as soon as the Phantom 3-minute moon goes red, which is in the next 6 minutes, you can look for an entry into a short position there. 15 minutes, see the RSI, 15 minute there, 15 minute there. And even on Phantom's going to be shorting all weekend. So watch the 15-minute RSI. Every time it bounces, get into it when it starts heading back down, and that you can make money on that, man. 30-minute, already down. 1 hour. So you could short Phantom on this 1 hour RSI until it's not done, until it's done shorting, right? So let me move here to Phantom real quick. Phantom USDT. Phantom. All right, so I'm going to take a Phantom. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm going to do a basic 20x. Isolated, Phantom, 88, confirm. I'm going to do a short on Phantom, a 50x Phantom, and I'm going to short. I'm going to go into a short as soon as we get a red moon on the 3-minute. Boom. So as soon as this becomes a red moon on the 3-minute, I will be shorting Phantom when this becomes a red moon, guys. So when this becomes a red moon, we're shorting Phantom right here. Red moon, short Phantom. Bitcoin's on its way down, big dog. All right, guys, let me take a break. Let me know when this becomes a red moon. That means we're shorting. That's what I'm looking for right here is this red moon. And then we'll be shorting Phantom. All right. Break time, boys. Break time. Phantom's going to pump right now. And after this pump, we're going to take advantage of the short. Yes, sir. Ah. We got a red moon yet? We gotta let that 15-minute reset. Ugh. We gotta let this 5-minute reset, guys. So Phantom's gonna have a relief rally here, guys. Phantom's gonna pump for a little bit. We're going to do a quick pump on Phantom. So we're going to take Phantom. We're buying Phantom right now, going long on Phantom. But we're doing heavy leverage, 80% leverage right now, guys. Long on Phantom. We're going to ride Phantom until the 5-minute bends. 5-minute RSI. Let's go, Phantom! All right, Phantom's in there. I'm going to put my stop loss at 44.93. 44.9393. 44.93. Current price 450. 44.93. We're waiting to go into a short into Phantom, guys, when we get a red moon, right? So whenever this 5-minute finishes its pump and that becomes red, then we gotta into a move. Oh. It's getting close, though. It's getting close, guys. Oh. We want this pump to be great. All right, so what we have here, guys, is a beautiful trade here. We have a beautiful short. See the red moon? See that red moon right here? When that red moon and the line stays red and this becomes green and red, this is going to be a big short. We have to wait for that moon to go red. Ah, I like gold. All right. So we're going to do a short. What's your take profit? As soon as I hit my 15%, I take profit, right? So this long is going to be very short-lived. Guys, we're focusing on the Phantom short. We need a red moon, red trend, green, and then another red moon. As soon as this turns red, we're doing a short. And our profit, what's our short position? Hold on, let me see. Phantom short is 50, 70, 83, 80% confirm, 80x. As soon as we get a red moon right here. So as soon as we get a red moon, we're going short, guys. Red moon, guys. All I always want to get into trades, but I got to wait. I got to be patient. Here we go. Here we go, Red Moon. Come on now. Need that red moon right there. Red moon we're in, guys.